but I'm gonna top coat it first, okay? So now with this Velvetty gels, if you are doing this like ombre underneath and you want to put glitters on, you can do it before your crystal clear. All right, clear for 30 seconds. So top coat it on, so then you can place some of your stickers on really nicely, or you can do is 40 gels, either way. Annabelle, you don't watch? No. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, I don't watch scary movies. Scare the heck out of me. Okay, I touched something that I can't put it. Sorry. Can you do it? I didn't see no one 140. Nelly, hello. Thank you so much, Nelly. Tony from Facebook. Good afternoon. I miss you too. Thanks so much for tuning in. Nelly, thanks so much. All right, 40. No, nobody 40. Then it's okay. Then we do, there's no 40. Then we can do this. I'm gonna do a simplest one on earth. No, like, this is really easy and simple. You can do it for yourself. Give it really nice set of nails for yourself, or doing it for clients. So the purpose of it, top coat on first, it will definitely like suck your stickers in and like no problem at all. I'm gonna do this. I'm loving it. There's a lot of sunflower stickers, so adorable. And then the little one, maybe a little one right there. Like, this is the simplest way when you do decorations for like sticker for the clients. Unless you want something else, crystal placement, I'll do one with and without. And then sticker, our adorable butterflies. And then another one. I'm looking for smaller petals right there. That's it. If you're happy with this, you clear for a 60 second. Let me see if I have any smaller butterflies. Is she somewhere at all? Maybe right there. She's too big, maybe. Mine's as well. Okay. If you're happy with this, make sure you're using the dual end tweezers and then give it a good like rubs on to make sure all the edges stay on. Because by doing this, it will never, the edges of your stickers will never gonna come off. Top coat, here 60 seconds, and then you are ready to go. Should we put some crystal in here? No? You can if you want to, or we'll put the top coat on. If you want crystal, then do condensed glue gels and top coat and crystal, okay? But we choose to be this like crystal free or whatever you want to call. All right, first time ever you see me with no crystal.